Academic journals publish thousands of research articles every year. Efficiently identifying and extracting corresponding author information is essential for research collaboration, communication, and data management. Manually searching through journal volumes to retrieve author email addresses is repetitive, time-consuming, and prone to errors, especially when dealing with large collections of publications. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed the IJOGR Correspondence Extractor, an intelligent automation solution that retrieves corresponding author email addresses across multiple journal volumes with speed and accuracy. The platform scans journal publications, identifies corresponding author details using intelligent document processing techniques, extracts email addresses, validates the information, and organizes the results into a structured, searchable dataset. Key features include automated author email extraction, intelligent document processing, multi-volume journal analysis, data validation and organization, high-accuracy information retrieval, scalable research automation. The solution significantly reduces manual effort, improves data accuracy, accelerates research workflows, and enables institutions to efficiently manage large volumes of publication data.